Now, Chris comes over this motherfucker. I want y'all to tell him this. Kill that dude. Kill that dude. Kill that dude, cause I'm from. You wanna hear the story? Again and again. How it all got started way back when. The money is running your face. Listen for a while to the name of the place.
Falling down, falling down, falling